I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm so excited to be reviewing the latest from Allure Beauty Box. We see here it says from the beauty experts. Very nice. And the first thing we see is the brochure. What? This is the Dermalogica Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. This is full size, this has to be. This is 1.0 fluid ounce, which is 30 ml. Wow, okay, this is an overnight treatment, effectively revitalizes dull looking skin. Yeah, I'm all for that. Focus on fine lines, wrinkling, and large pores, which I have large pores here, unfortunately. Great for age spots and uneven skin. The price for this bad boy is $42 US. See what the bottle looks like inside. Oh, it has a dropper. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm really pleased about this. I'm just curious to see the scent. I mean, to smell the scent, actually. Okay, I like that it was secure. The bottle feels like plastic. It's not glass. It doesn't feel like glass. I could be wrong. I don't want to drop it and find out. And that's the liquid, how it looks. The scent is a little hard to describe. I can't place it. It definitely smells, what's the word? Lack of a word, medicine-y. That's what it smells like, medicine-y. But this is to sleep with, it's not. The next brand that I have in here is called Josephine Cosmetics Eye Dazzle, the liquid metallic eyeshadow in Leona. And the reason why I pronounce Josephine a little funny is because there's an accent over the E. And to me, that's Josephine, not Josephine. So let me just, this is how the, very sexy packaging, look at that. This is something I would be proud to put on my vanity. Look at that, no pun intended. Very sexy looking. This goes for $30. What is it? Let's see, it's a glittery rose gold shade, and you put it over your lid after priming with concealer. Okay, and it has a doe foot applicator. It's a, I call this the diamond shaped one. This is not really a doe foot to me. Doe foot are the ones that have that little Barbie, you know, that little curve thing. Like, this is not doe foot. This is one of those flat triangle that has a little thing in the center. So I'm gonna just apply here and see. Oh, this is beautiful. Very creamy. It's on the liquid side. And I'm gonna show you how it looks there. Look. That is very gorgeous, very pretty. And this will complement all skin tones, I believe. All skin tones. This is gorgeous, gorgeous. There doesn't really seem to be a scent. There's no perfumey scent, so that's good. This is the Manikadar Lip Bliss Moisturizing Lip Mask. So let's see how that looks inside. I like the color pink. It's really cute. Matches mine. It's time to give your lips a little spa time. The Lip Bliss Lip Mask contains emollients to give dry lips a little hydration and vitamins to aid in the appearance of softer, smoother looking lips. And it says the directions are to apply to clean, dry lips, can be applied before bed for maximum results, which I think I'm gonna start doing because I'm noticing with the skin changing, look, it's getting weird. So wipe off in the morning with tissue or washcloth to reveal hydrated, healthy looking lips. Yeah, it's this time of year when skin starts changing. This is what it looks like. And, here's the applicator like so. That's the doe foot. It has a fruit scent, like a fruit candy scent or citrus scent. I mean, I'm not hating on it. I don't mind it. But some people who are not into fragrance may not like that. So if you're not into any kind of scent, fragrance, or odor in your makeup or lip care product, then this may not be for you. It goes on almost like a lip gloss. So I'm gonna leave that, right? And this is a luxury sample size. This couldn't be the full size. The full size for this goes for $38. I doubt that this goes for $38. Okay, this is the Neogen Dermalogica Real Ferment Micro Essence. Sounds like it might be a micellar cleaner. I don't know. Let's see here. What does this do? When you paint your nails, thin layers work best to create an even coat of color. I take the same approach to hydrating my oily skin, building up moisture with toner, essence, and moisturizer. Although this transparent fluid looks like a mini bottle of Voss water, it's spiked with rice and yeast ferments that improve the skin's microbiome. So you sprinkle the essence, which has the faintest scent of sake, into my hand and pat it onto my face. Then I proceed with the rest of my skincare routine. The essence helps bind all the layers of hydration together while helping the skin look healthier and more radiant. So this is sort of like a skin prep. But there we go. This is for the hair. This is Nature Lab Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. I know I have their conditioner. I will definitely be trying this on for a scalp scrub. Love that. The price for this bad boy is $16 US and can be found at Ulta.com. Let's see what it says here. I hate washing my hair, when the pen, Okay, so you use this scalp scrub to clear product buildup. Once you scoop out a quarter size amount and add water, it foams up like a dream. When you rinse, the sugar crystals dissolve. After towel drying, it feels soft, healthy. No, it's definitely a scrub. It does have a fragrance, and the fragrance is pretty strong. It's beautiful to me, but I think some people might be overwhelmed with it. So if you're not into scents or any kind of fragrances, Nature Lab Scalp Scrub may not be for you unless they have specifically an unscented version. I would check their website. And I believe I got one of these already from Allure a few boxes ago, but they included another one from the company When, and this is called When the Last Choice Sheet Mask. This is $5 for one of these bad boys. That's a little pricey. What's in this? There's a biocellulose sheet mask. So this is similar to Midflower's version, because Midflower is another sheet mask company, beauty skincare company that specializes in these masks that they have that biocellulose. They almost feel like a second skin when you put them on. It's not a simple cotton one. So this will be interesting to try out. And it has the directions on the back. And they do have a website called whenbeautyus.com in case you want to check them out. So they do have a US page, which is nice. And, ooh, another skincare thing. This is the Acure Ultra Hydrating 12-Hour Facial Moisturizer. Isn't that nice? I have combination skin, and apparently the person who wrote here as a commerce editor, her name is Nakia, she also has combination skin. She is dry around the mouth and oily everywhere else. Me, oily here, dry here. So I have a little more dry than she does. But apparently for the full size of this, it's $18.99 US. So this may help with my facial breakouts, I don't know. Intense moisture for thirsty skin, adaptogens and super greens. 100% vegan, 0% pretentious, paraben-free, sulfate-free, mineral oil-free, petroleum-free, formaldehyde-free, and cruelty-free. Okay, so that's a lot, and I like that it comes in this little thing, this little packet. Hopefully this is biodegradable, because then I'll hit it out of the park. Manufactured for Better Planet brands. It gives a recyclable symbol. Okay. A Apply the clean face in the morning when you are like, ugh, why do I have to be up this early? Stupid alarm clock. Interesting directions. I just wanted to show that I let this dry a little bit. This is the brand Josephine, and I'm just touching it here, and it stayed put. So that would be interesting to see how that comes off the eyes. But the sparkle, everything about it, I am so loving. Awesome. So I will give this box an A. Thank you so much for coming with me on my latest beauty box adventure. And are you an Allure subscriber? Have you continued your subscription now that they've moved up the price and they are promising at least 3 full-size products in every box? I mean, it doesn't come in that cute box anymore, that little shoe box it comes in. Now apparently it comes in something like this. But again, I'm not really hating it. It's not as big as some other boxes I tend to get sometimes with the beauty subscriptions. But let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you haven't already, hit that like button. Even better, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a great week and a great day. Take care. Be safe. Bye.